This is how you turn one product into a whole month of ads. No camera, no creator, no studio. Start in the skills library. This one's the ugc-ad skill, a complete recipe for authentic, creator-style product videos. Drag it into the prompt, and Baz has the entire playbook. Switch to plan mode first, so Baz shapes the ad with you before it builds anything. Then just describe your product. Point it at your store, pick the item you want to sell, and tell it you want a real creator, holding it, talking straight to camera. Drop in a product photo so they're holding the real thing. Tell Baz to execute. It casts the creator, writes every line, and films all 6 clips, voice baked right in. A few seconds later, your ad is ready. Not quite there? Just ask. Punch up the hook, change the setting. It only re-rolls what you point at. And once it feels like your brand, tell it to update the skill. Now Baz remembers your creator, your tone, your format. Point it at the rest of your catalog, and it makes an ad for every product you sell. One skill, your whole store in motion. That's baz.studio.